to my channel. Today I'm going to give you a small review of the Michael Kors wallet. This is actually called the Jet Set smartphone holder wallet. Yeah, I hope this is right. Anyway, this is a very small review because there is nothing to review about, but if anyone planning to buy anything, I think the review actually really works because I always research everything. I always find the YouTube videos, the reviews of any bags whenever I want to buy anything. So review are very informative for me, so I'm thinking to give you some more information about this one if anyone if anyone is planning to buy this one. Okay, so this wallet actually coming with a wristlet. This is actually a wristlet, not a wallet on chain. This is only a wristlet with a golden hardware with the MK. And yeah, this is this actually a leather one, pebble leather. In their website they mention 100% leather, and this is a pebble version. You can see that it's not the smooth one or sapphire one. Okay, so this is the wallet. It's a decent size. It's not that bad. There is a slot behind this wallet where you can place the parking tickets and all. If you open that one, and here you get your smartphone holder, so you can place your smartphone here and also can use that as a wallet also. So there is nothing, you no need to hold your phone with other hands or outside. Okay, so yeah, this there are 7 card holders, so you can place 7 cards. I don't know, I'm not carrying this much of cards nowadays, only 3 is for me. So yeah, these are the card holders. There's also a chain pocket, so you can place your coins or any important things which you don't want to lose. And also they have like cash area. You can place your cash here like the normal wallet like things. They also have there are another 2 slots here, but I never use that. But anyone can place anything like the important thing, if anything, to place. All right, so okay, here are 2 buttons for secure your smartphone. It depends on which smartphone you are using. I'm using the 12 Pro Max, so it's a bigger phone, but I'm currently recording with that phone, so I'm showing you just the example of with my previous phone, which is the 7 Plus. 7 Plus is still a big phone, so I think the length is same, maybe the weight is a little bit bigger in the 12 Pro Max. So yeah, you just can place your smartphone here, secure with the snap, and then you're good to go. This one was actually a impulse buy, to be very honest. So I was looking for a small bag like this, but a wallet on chain. I was not looking for a wristlet, but I impulsively bought it. My husband actually bought for me. Because this one was on sale when I was visiting the Michael Kors outlet. This one was on sale, and I was looking for a small bag where I can place my phone, and also a wallet purpose. Basically, I was looking for a wallet on chain, but yeah, but impulsively I bought this one. This is a good one. I use it like 3 times maybe, but I was happy to use it once I was traveling from one city to another city in Malaysia, when I needed to carry my laptop. So I just took my tote bag, and inside the tote bag I just fit this one for my wallet purpose. So I could not carry the big the crossbody bag inside the tote because I also had some other stuff. So I took this one, and when I go out for another city, so I just can take this one with me, where I can fit my phone and also the cards and all. So it was helpful for that purpose. Okay, so coming to the slots, actually, it's it's not that you can, if you are using a big phone, it's difficult to place it here and take it out. Maybe this one still it's looking good to take it out and place it back, but I'm using a 12 Pro Max with cover like the leather cover from the Apple, so that's also a little bit thicker, so it was very hassle sometimes to take the phone out and place it back. It's actually stuck sometime. But yeah, it's still working, but not easily. I mean, just for reference, you cannot just easily take it out from this slot, this card slot. Maybe if it's a little bit bigger or thicker, then maybe it could be possible. Or if you're using your the phone without the cover, then it will be easier. But the thing which I don't like about this one, this bag is losing its shape. I'm not sure I'm not sure if you can understand this one from the video or not. This is a little bit higher than this one. This is like going like that. I mean, this is a higher and this is a thinner version and this is a thicker. I'm not sure. I told you it was an impulse buy. I did not actually looked very well for the product because that was on, I was in a hurry, and also it was on sale. I actually went to buy for a card slot. I mean, yeah, the card holder, but whatever, I impulsively bought this one too. But yeah, this, I'm not sure why this is like that, but I tried to keep the maybe this is due to the cash place here, this slot here. Due to that, it's more, I mean, this side is more thicker than this one. I'm not sure, but it's, yeah, but it's like that. This side is a thicker than this one. So yeah, this is something, I think, the cons I found from this wallet. Other than that, if you are wristlet kind of person, then you can have it. But the thing is, we usually use wristlet for fancy dinner maybe, or sometimes the wedding. But this bag is not like a fancy dinner wedding type of wallet, right? I mean, clutch or whatever you can say, because this is a very casual one. So I don't think I will ever take this one for any wedding, because it actually doesn't make any sense, right? This is a very casual one. Yeah, so this is the wristlet is removable, so you can remove this one and place in another bag if you want. I try, if this one is the walk, I mean, if it comes with the chain, then it will be very useful for me. But at this moment, I'm not using that much due to, because I just cannot place any chain here. I tried to use a chain with a single loop from here, but actually it's not very comfortable, because when I open this one and I need to take it out, so it's not that practical. Yeah. So, and about this card, a smartphone, yeah, they make it for a smartphone wallet, but I really feel that this place is not enough, because nowadays most of the phones are not smaller size. If the phone is smaller size, then it's perfectly fine, but nowadays the phones are actually very big. So I guess this is not practical enough for mentioning as a smartphone holder. Anyway, but yeah, this is a very small review for this Michael Kors Jet Set smartphone holder. If you are any of you interested, because I found it very useful when I see the reviews for the bags or any other stuff I want to buy. So I think if anyone has look on this wallet, then I think this review will helpful. And yeah, if you did not watch my last review about the YSL unboxing, please go and check that video and show some love. And that's all for today. I hope you enjoy this video. If you like, please press the like button and subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much. Bye.